Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got an exciting new Polene bag reveal. As you can see here, it is the new Tonka bag. This is one of their newest releases and I'm excited to share it with you. It's not a true unboxing, I did take a peek, but I will give you all the close-ups and details. I also have two of my other Polene bags here for reference, so in case I need to refresh your memory or if you're new to my channel, this one here is my Polene numero 9 mini, which is the number 9 mini, and I am so smitten with this bag here. I have featured it in many videos and I did a full in-depth video on this one. If you want to do some research and you'd like to check out that video, I will link it up above. So this is the mini size of the numero 9. There's also the larger original size, but I think this is perfect for handheld and crossbody since it comes with this strap and it's just so artistic and so beautiful. And when we talk about quality and value for the price, I always think about Polene. It's a Parisian brand and they're fairly new to the scene, but I know that they're rapidly growing. In fact, they actually opened a flagship store in New York City and many of you have asked me to go there and vlog and share, and I hope to do that soon, so stay tuned. But let me open this one. This is also from Polene and it's the numero 7. And so this one comes in this original size and also the mini size, but this is the larger and I chose the Duo Camel. It has two different shades of camel. It's much more structured. I feel like it looks very polished and professional, whereas this looks a little bit more playful. And I mean, each bag can be worn for every day, but this has more of a, I don't know, a structured look to it. As you can see, the stitch work is gorgeous. And it's got the strap. This strap is not removable. This too, I did a full in-depth review if you're interested. I'll link it up above. So those two there. And for those of you who've been on my channel before will know that I also received two other Polene bags, the numero 1 mini size and the numero 1 nano size, and neither of them worked for me, unfortunately. So because they were gifted to me from the brand, I also wanted to gift them to others. So I did a giveaway and two of you won those bags. So if you're watching, my two subbies who won the two Polene numero 1 bags, I hope you're enjoying them. So let's get into this here. So this, in full transparency, was also gifted to me from the brand with no strings attached. This is not a sponsored video, and in fact, I've had this bag now for a couple of months. I just haven't had a chance to go around to film it. They don't follow up. They don't ask me to film. There are no requirements. Literally, they just want me to try out the bag, and hopefully there will be a good review on it. But as you know, I'm always honest no matter what. So here is the bag. Let me stop yapping. This is the beautiful Tonka bag, and it is just so, I keep using the word artistic again, but it is. Look at the dimples and the folds on this bag. It has a half moon shape. It's asymmetrical. And it's got this beautiful strap attached to it. So it's attached on one side through this gorgeous gold, shiny gold hardware. It says Polene right here. So this part is not removable. And then this has a little slip. You put this strap through. I love that it's kind of a wide band strap because that'll make it really comfortable. And then you've got this little knob here and you pull it through and you can adjust to your liking. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. So that will be great to have different options based on your height and your preference. And let me show you how it opens. So this is the top, like so. It's kind of got like this wavy flat top, and you open it like a mouth, and there's a hidden magnet, so it's quite secure actually, and you open it like so. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's got one open slip pocket here, which is great for cards or cash, just something little that you need to access quickly without having to rummage. And then right here, this color you see here is actually like a micro suede or microfiber kind of texture, so it's really soft to the touch, and the rest is the matching leather lining. So it's really nice. I'm going to show you what fits inside really quickly. I'll also weigh the bag for you in case you're curious to see the weight, but this is what it looks like on the side, and I have to say the stitching is impeccable. But I have to say, all of the Polene bags that I've received, the stitching is like, it's ridiculous. Like, so look at this, perfectly spaced, nothing is out of line anywhere. Look at this. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous. Here's the back. So this is the chalk color, and it is kind of creamy, but it also has slightly like grayish undertones. So just to kind of give you, this is like a iridescent white box lid, just to give you a sense. And here's the tissue paper from the box just to give you a sense. So you can see it's got a different shade. It's not a pure white. I think this is going to complement a lot of different outfits, and it's soft and it's a neutral. So there you have it. Kind of reminds me of the Dior saddlebag, but much more discreet and understated, much more minimalist. I feel like it's a really beautiful silhouette. So let me show you just quickly, grab some random knickknacks here. Here's my old iPhone Plus that I don't use anymore since I'm filming with my current phone. I'll just use that. So this is like the biggest iPhone size that you can get out there. So it fits quite nicely. Here's the mini pochette, if you're familiar or you own it. So this is the LV mini pochette, but I'm also going to show you. So there it is. Oh, it doesn't actually, yeah, it does. It fits. Okay. So there it is, but this is empty. So just to be fair, I'm going to show you also this one, which is my Dress Up Your Purse collab, which is similar in size to the mini pochette. It's actually bigger, a little bit bigger, and it's full at the moment. So this is probably more appropriate if you're going to have a packed pouch with your little bits and bobs. So this, I'll be honest, is a little bit cumbersome. It's a little fussy to get in and out, as you can see. So maybe you need to downsize in terms of your pouch. And then let me show you my key pouch here. That'll go in easily. There you go. My card case, that also goes in pretty easily, like so. And then, I don't know, I just grabbed like a lippy and some sunglasses with a soft case, and that all fits easily with room to spare. But you can't really put anything super chunky in here because the shape is round on the bottom. You do lose some of that space in the corners or the sides. So, and it also is not going to lay perfectly flat. But if you like this kind of silhouette and you're a fan of like the Dior saddlebag too, I think this is really pretty. Really pretty. So I do think it'll hold all of your essentials. Just take everything out and then let me weigh the bag for you. All right, so I've got my trusty scale here. I'm going to place down this beautiful bag. And let's see if it'll, yeah, it stands on its own, which is a huge plus. When you think about other bags that are asymmetrical or curved on the bottom, they tend to flop over, but this can sit on a shelf or on a table on its own, so big, big plus. So as you can see here, if you look closely, it's 13.4 ounces, which is well below a pound, which is very light, very, very light for a leather bag. So let's do it one more time just to make sure. Let's see. 12.6 ounces. So it's changing a little bit. Oh, because the strap fell down. So I want to make sure I'm getting the full weight with the strap. So let me just place it down on top like that. Yeah, 13.4 ounces. That's the same as we got before. So great. I think that checks the mark on being a lightweight bag. And finally, let me just give you some quick size comparisons of all three of these bags in case it's helpful as reference. Here is the Polene number 9 mini. Next to the Tonka bag here. I don't even know what Tonka stands for or what it means in French, actually. Some of my French subbies out there, maybe you can tell me in the comments, or I can Google it, I guess, but I don't know what it means. So there it is, side by side. And then you've got the Sept, or the 7. Obviously very different. This is much more structured, much more boxy. And then here it is from the side. So hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully this video was enjoyable to watch and helpful if you're doing your research on Polene. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.